US bank account setup failed? Don't worry, let's fix it in 60 seconds. First, check your internet, switch Wi-Fi off and on, or use mobile data. Next, confirm your personal details match your ID exactly, including hyphens. Open the US Bank app and look for the specific error message shown. If it says verification failed, check your phone number and email for codes. Also ensure device time and date are correct. Incorrect clocks often block verification. Clear the app cache, settings, apps, US Bank, clear cache, then restart the app. If using a web browser, clear cookies or try an incognito/private window. Disable VPN or corporate network and try again on a private home connection. Still stuck? Tap Need Help in the app and request a verification code or resend it. Call US Bank support or use secure chat. Have your ID and last four ready. Ready? Retry the setup now. Contact support if needed. You've got this.